Hello everyone and welcome to the show. I'm Jonathan and today we're talking about how drones will solve our deforestation problem. But first, let's take a stroll down memory lane for a moment. Drones have been around for a while, but not how we know them to be today. The first modern drone was created in 1916 by A.M. Lowe and was used in World War I. This was a game changer in the use of unmanned aerial crafts, and soon everyone was scrambling to use drones for military purposes. They developed quickly, but the first non-military drone popped up in 2006. Government agencies use this technology to monitor pipeline inspections, crop evaluation, and security, and probably some shady stuff, am I right? Well, that's all well and good. What about hobby drones? The ones that can do cool flips and dives and light up with LEDs. 2013 hits and Amazon announces they'll be using drones for deliveries, and the public took notice. To be fair, people talked about dogpiling the Amazon drones to the ground, so yeah, Amazon took a step back. Nowadays, we have drones for hobbies like photography, cartography, racing, and just joyriding. But some drones have a 9-to-5, delivering medical equipment and life-saving organs, surveying disaster scenes, and dispatching help before human relief can jump in. It's truly amazing how we've utilized drones to enhance our communication and assistance. And also do those sick flips. Drones are now adding a new skill to their resumes, shooting seed pods into the ground to fight off biodiversity. The last few years, companies have been blossoming around the world with specially outfitted drones. They're armed with a pneumatic tube that shoots out seed pods into the ground. These drones are able to shoot up to 40,000 seed pods in a day and keep coordinates of every seed drop. So how does this work? The first step is to send out scouting drones. Using software and AI, they map out the location and figure the best place to drop seeds based on soil and existing plants. Then comes the pneumatic tube drones, which can fire one seed pod per second. Each seed pod contains at least 3 pre-germinated seeds nestled up in vital nutrients with a carbon-rich outer shell made from biomass waste. Almost forgot that word. After these seed pods have been shot into the soil, sprayer drones head out to drop additional nutrients on the seeds to help them grow. A little rain, some sun, and these seeds are on their way to becoming incredibly diverse ecosystems that will help stave off deforestation. There's even nanny drones that pop in to check on how the seeds are doing to make sure that they're growing to be big, beautiful trees. Why do we need drones to plant seeds? Well, they're 80% cheaper than traditional tree planting methods and 10 times quicker than a single worker with a shovel. Not to mention that they can reach areas that could be too tight or too risky for humans to be in, like steep terrain or areas ravaged by fire. The United Nations Environment Program noted that the Earth loses 70,000 square kilometers of forest every year. That's the size of Portugal. A whole country full of trees just gone. But with the efforts of these seed planting drone companies, a single drone could one day plant more than 100,000 seed pods a day. We're rooting on that. We could end up with 1 billion trees in 8 years. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and let me know what you think about seed dropping drones in the comments. And watch this video here to learn how trees communicate with each other. And as always, thanks for watching, and what did you learn today?